Quarta-feira é dia da playlist de língua inglesa, então do reading, ou seja, leitura. Na língua inglesa existem várias maneiras de você tentar praticar para aprender esse idioma. Na verdade, não só na língua inglesa, mas para qualquer idioma. Um deles é fazer leitura, que se chama reading, e é isso que eu vou fazer hoje, continuar, porque semana passada eu já comecei isso, estou tentando manter por várias razões. Primeiro, para que eu tenha contato com a língua, coisa que eu tenho muito pouco, então ter uma playlist fixa no meu canal de Linguística é uma coisa, e também no meu canal principal, né, é uma coisa bem interessante para eu praticar a língua. Mas como eu dizia, existem algumas maneiras para você conseguir se expor à língua, já que você não é um falante daquela língua, como é o meu caso. Ou não mora lá, enfim, não vive aquela realidade cultural. Então, uma delas é se expor à leitura, que é o reading. Outras é se expor a você escutar mesmo, então é o listening. Outra também é o writing, que é escrever. E qual que é a quarta? Então nós temos o listening, temos o writing, temos o reading. Aí temos o speaking, que é fala, que é a fala. No vídeo de hoje eu quero fazer reading, mas claro que eu também acabo praticando um pouco do speaking, porque eu estou fazendo a leitura em voz alta. Então eu vou tentar interagir também, mesmo que eu erre, mas a ideia é me expor mesmo à língua, até em formato de vídeo, né? De repente você está assistindo o vídeo, vai que você se empolga e resolve também se desenvolver na língua assim. Vou tentar sempre manter essa playlist na quarta-feira aqui no canal. Então tá, a revista que eu escolhi é uma revista aleatória aqui da biblioteca e eu quero terminar a leitura dela e eu tô lendo um pouquinho por vídeo. Então é essa revista aqui. Ok? Today is Wednesday, the day of week, and I'm gonna try to develop my English for my foreign language, because my original language, my maternal language is Portuguese, and I would like to develop the English. And I'm gonna try to read, just read, to reading, like a strategy to develop the English, right? And now I'm gonna continue to read this magazine. The name of this magazine is Wallonia in Brussels. WAB magazine. It's the name of the magazine. It's the handle of magazine here. I found this magazine in this library, and I don't have a specific reason to read this magazine, just because it's in English. I saw the magazine and I saw it's writing in English language. Could be a good idea to try to read this magazine here for my channel, right? And today I just gonna, in the last video I tried to read and to speak to and describe the general information about this magazine, and the editorial. It was that objective in that video. Today I'm gonna read the summarized. I don't know how can I say summary in English. Summarize. I don't know. I think. And here we have some topics, and I intend to start on this video the first topic, okay? But let's try to read the main topics here on this magazine. Page number 4, page number 3, we have the summary. I think it's the correct word is summary. And this page we have topics that we have in this magazine. We have photos here, just showing us some things about these topics. For example, the topic called News and Business Updates from Around the Region. This topic is on the page number 4, and here we have a photo that try to give us the image, the main image about this topic. And is the same situation about the page 17 and page 26. Let's read the topics taking care about the pages. For example, no, let's try to read now. Page number 4, news and business updates from around the region. Page number 6, profile. Mohammed Tokhan is a scientist and entrepreneur for eco-friendly phosphate technology. Page number 8, Texture Biotech shows the way in automating bone grafts. Page number 10, cutting it. AGC Glass invest in energy saving glassing. Page number 12, the Digital Wallonia Startup Awards celebrate the region's best up and coming business. Page number 14, local digital companies network on the worldwide stage at Las Vegas, I don't know, electronics event. Page number 16, meet the Brussels expat while retired accountant Christopher Thurlbron appreciates life in Belgium. Page 17, universities in Wallonia are a breeding ground from pioneering spin-offs. We investigate how they turn research into economic success. Page 21, Belgian beef. Wallonia's quality meat is increasingly appreciated abroad. Page 23, the region adopts water as the same for its tourism campaign. Page 26, designer Charles causing stages show stopping parties and events. Page 28, panorama spotlight on Dinant officially an European based destination. And finally, page 30, what is the topic? Our pick of cultural events in Wallonia and Brussels. Okay, and now let's see what is the theme here. What is the text about the page number 4? Let me see. News and business updates from around the region. Então, notícias e negócios atualizados em torno da região. Eu acredito que a tradução seja essa. News and business updates, notícias e atualizações dos negócios direto ou do entorno da região de entorno, da região próxima. Let's see what was the point. Number 5, page number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, profile. On this video, I think it's not possible because the time I'm looking to the minutes, and I have a limit to record. I have 10 minutes to record to try to speak or try to read in this video. In this video, I think it's 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Then, so I think it's not possible to read 2 pages in 1 or 2 minutes, but I'm gonna try to read just the first text. Let's remember the page 4 and the page 5, it's about news and business updates from around the region. I'm gonna try to read, or let's read together if you want, because I'm gonna try to read, and you can stop the video and try to repeat this or try to understand what I'm saying. I'm gonna read just the first text, just this text here. Okay? Page number 4 and page number 5. It's about news. Let's see. The title is Dreamwall provides virtual decor backdrop to Thai election. Dreamwall provides virtual decor backdrop to Thai election. A Charlie Roy design studio has helped TV viewers in Thailand better understand their country's election with tailor-made virtual scenery. Dreamwall was commissioned by Spring News to provide a backdrop for its live coverage of the election results in March. Designers and engineers flew to Thailand to manage the virtual studio, which was built around a glass dome inspired by Bangkok's Democracy Monument. Election results were displayed in augmented reality using virtual technology, and the website was n.dreamwall.b. Okay, it was the video today. I try to speak to, and we have to I'm gonna see you in the next video, the next Wednesday. I'm gonna try to read the next top Europe's largest virtual reality parks open in Moscow. Thank you. See you the next video.